Hi, Vojta. I'm glad to meet you. Thanks for accepting our invitation to support our co-investing project. You're coming from Czech Republic, from Presto Ventures. I would like to find out your opinion about how do you appreciate the dynamics of the tech startup ecosystem in Czech Republic, or maybe in the region, if you consider that Czech is too small to... So how do you see it in the last years? And maybe why should some venture capital investors in stronger ecosystems come to Czech Republic to invest?
I don't see Eastern European ecosystem as less strong as weak ones. Not at all. That's why I'm here. Actually, in last fund, we invested 43 companies, and most of them were from the Eastern Europe. I even have like 4 in Georgia, 1 in Tajikistan, 6 in Ukraine. So yeah, I think the more east you go, the hungrier the people are for the success. And they just need some help with the ability to sell. We were focusing on the what we are calling CEE mindset. Very strong technical talent. That's what unites us all in Central and Eastern Europe. And that's what the Western VCs should look for. Because we are much more technically oriented, much more product oriented. It's a curse at the same time, because we are focusing so much on product that we are forgetting to sell. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, if you are looking for strong, technically strong startups, especially the tech ones, Eastern Europe is the place to be.
Yes, the emerging ecosystems or moderate ecosystems are analyzed according to some criteria of how much money do we invest in research and development and so on, according to the European Innovation Scoreboard report. That is why there are some discrepancies in between West and East, which we want to diminish through this kind of projects. Referring to co-investment, is it easy for you to find co-investors for your portfolio, for new investors? So from stronger ecosystems, or maybe further?
Not for the seed stage. We are looking for startups which are very early in the journey, few thousand euro per month revenue. So this is not that much interesting from the Western VCs. But if you cross the 50, 100,000 line, you are very much in the game for Western VCs. They want to see the very strong traction and like 2 or 3 or 4 countries developed. And if you are in this category, you are prime target even for them. So if you are in the Eastern Front, aim for build up as much revenue as possible, of course, but at least like 50K MRR, and try to do it from at least 3 countries, maybe 4 countries. Then you are signaling very strongly that you can be
have potential.
Yeah, and you are a regional leader, and this is what everyone is looking for. Not just, we can sell it to friends in our country, but we know how to replicate our success.
That's in important. Terms of diversity, how do you appreciate, Presto Ventures is supporting women-led startups. Do you find some improvements in these areas?
I'm not judging anyone based on the sex, and it's very hard today to actually do that anyway. So we are not selecting based on that. We are looking for every person with the right mindset and a lot of potential. And of course, we are grateful for every female founder we can get. And the last one from our second fund was Camila, who is running a very strong AI startup, which is very, very, very deep techy. And it's much harder than I thought would be possible to develop in Czechia.
For building your pipeline, does it happen to you to collaborate with other types of stakeholders in Czech Republic or in the area? For example, have you ever been connected to an innovation agency or national innovation agency?
We are not that much looking for innovation agencies, mentoring programs, accelerators, things like that, because it usually means the startup has some problems they need to deal with first. We are looking for founders which are strong on them own, essentially, which is like playing a little bit against the innovation centers. I'm not downplaying them. They are important for the ecosystem as a whole. But if you are a good founder, you probably don't need any help in selling it to us.
I understand. That would be all. Thank you very much for your time.
I hope I didn't say
Yes.
anything.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We are trying to make some video content
Yeah.
for a